Second Galaxy S24 software update is out. Find out what's new. Samsung has just rolled out the second firmware update for the Galaxy S24, bringing with it the March 2024 security patch. This update comes quickly on the heels of the first, emphasizing Samsung's commitment to security. The update is currently making its way across the globe, with Europe being the first to receive these crucial security enhancements. Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra owners can look forward to an improved security posture on their devices. Initially, the update was launched in South Korea a few days ago, packaged with the February 2024 security patch. Now, with expanded reach, more users can benefit from the latest protections. This second update is laser-focused on security, eschewing other enhancements or features. The only addition in this release is the March 2024 security patch, aimed at tightening the Galaxy S24 series defenses against threats. For those in regions other than Europe, the wait for this update might be short. Samsung is expected to roll out the update broadly, ensuring all Galaxy S24 users receive these important security fixes. Interestingly, users who missed the first update might directly receive the second one, though this remains speculative at this stage. Samsung has not confirmed how skipped updates will be handled. To check if the update is available for your Galaxy S24 device, simply head to the Settings app, find the Software Update section, and select Download and Install. This process will help you determine if the update is ready for your phone. Manual installation is also an option for those eager to get the update immediately. By downloading the firmware from Samsung's database, users can flash it to their phones using a Windows PC. This approach to updates, focusing solely on security shortly after a feature-rich update, underscores Samsung's dedication to keeping its devices secure and users' data protected. Considering the rapid succession of these updates, it's clear that Samsung is prioritizing the security and overall well-being of its Galaxy S24 lineup, ensuring users have a seamless and safe experience. With the world increasingly focused on digital security, Samsung's quick action to deploy these patches is a testament to its commitment to user safety and device integrity. The Galaxy S24's software journey continues to evolve, with each update bringing something new to the table. This time, it's all about keeping your device as secure as possible against the latest threats. As more regions receive this update, Galaxy S24 users worldwide can rest a bit easier, knowing their devices are safeguarded by the latest security measures. Samsung's approach, alternating between feature updates and security enhancements, ensures that the Galaxy S24 series remains at the cutting edge of technology and safety, setting a standard for smartphones everywhere.